Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix FiveM. The selected path does not contain a GTA 5 exe file. So when you encounter this problem, this basically means that FiveM cannot find your GTA file executive on the folder that you have selected. So to fix this, it is extremely simple. Just head over to your FiveM application right here. Go ahead and change the file location for your GTA 5 exe, and then you will be able to see this. Go to your game directory and select GTA 5 exe to be able to launch FiveM. So if you install FiveM from Steam, it is really easy to find. You can just head over to the Steam location path. In my case, it's going to be inside the SSD partition right here. Click on Steam, click on Steam apps, click on common, and from here you will be able to find GTA 5 application. Once inside the GTA 5 application, click on the GTA 5 exe, and from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.